All right, guys, I'm going to do a kilometers per hour speed run here. 215 pound, 5'11" male on a stock Surron Light Bee X from AOMC.MX at 64% battery. So, ready? Sport mode, full throttle. 40, 60, 70, 75, 75. Seems like we're maxed out at 75. Cool. I was just curious what it would do stock. Now we know. All right, guys, we're gonna do a speed run in this field right here. 215 pounds, 5'11" male, sport mode, kilometers per hour. Let's go, full throttle. 30, 50, 60. Oh, 70. So nice.